Welcome back to another video by NTA. Please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Greatly appreciated. With that being said, let's get into the video. So Tesla closed red today, but I think something very interesting happened. Do you see the structure right here? This little descending channel. Some people might call it a bull flag if you're into that kind of a thing. Well, look where we got bought up. Got bought up right there on top of that channel. And if that isn't enough for you, let's hide that channel. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's say a 15-minute. Remember this little box that I drew in yesterday's video, this little area of consolidation? While we did fail back into it, where did we find our support? Right at the bottom of that range. Now, I know that we've been bouncing, let's say at the 347, 349 range for quite a while, for about a week exactly. And sure, we could violate this. We could fall right back into the channel if we had a little action like that. If you're not a bull, that's what I would be looking at right there. I'd be looking for this area around 349 to 347 to fail with confirmation. But for the time being, I am still short-term bullish. And if that little descending channel wasn't enough for you, you pull this up. Some people might say that's a little pennant right there. A little ugly pennant on my hand, on my half, but still little pennant. Again, broke out of it yesterday in the morning, consolidated above this little area of consolidation, failed back into it, but where did we find our buying pressure? Right here. Now, some people might look at this red candle here and say, no, we're going down. I don't think so. I think that was a little bit of a bear trap. Short term, for the short term. I still think Tesla needs to come back down and test its 200-day simple moving average. Whether that happens from us just chopping around and it eventually catching up, or us having a nice little up move and then a pop back down, I think we're going to eventually have to catch back up to the 200-day simple moving average. Go ahead, watch one of my previous videos. I'll try to link it up at the top. I didn't draw this structure today. This structure has been mentioned a couple of times in previous videos. And like I said, today we retested the upper bound of this structure. If you're hoping for a continuation to the upside, we need to get up above this range right here. This range right here, the upper bound is around 357. Let's just call it 358. Ideally, what I'd like to see on a smaller time frame if we don't open above this range here, if we open within this area of consolidation, a little break and a retest, and then I'd feel very confident on the day that we would end up. Now, if we open above this range, I would like to see still a retest of it, hold, maybe a little consolidation, and then a move back higher. We have to see what price does tomorrow. This area of consolidation here is still very much in play, depending on where we open. I mean, it really showed us a lot of what was going to happen today if we go down to a smaller time frame. I think we have to go down to the 1 minute to see it. So at market open right here, we opened above, we fell down, and what did we do? We came back up, retested the upper bound, and then just dumped. But again, where did we find our buying pressure? Right at the bottom of this range and on top of this structure right here. I could show you the bear case for today's move if we take a trend line from, let's say, something like this. It's kind of hard to see on this smaller time frame. Let me move to a little bit of a larger one. Let's go to 1 hour. Yeah, something like that. So if you believe in this structure here, we came up and we've been riding this for the past couple days, and then today, shoot, just dropped right below it, and we never recovered above it. So again, tomorrow we're really going to have to see what happens within this area of price. Now, again, if we gap up, ideally you'd want to see a retest of this consolidation area for a move back higher. If we gap down and you're bearish, you're going to want to see price move back up and fail below it. And that's going to wrap up today's video. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one.